enhancing Earth observation and climate monitoring. While space exploration often brings to mind distant planets and starry skies, NASA's contributions to our understanding of Earth are just as vital. Through a sophisticated network of Earth-observing satellites, NASA continuously monitors the health of our planet, providing us with valuable insights into climate change, natural disasters, and environmental shifts. The data NASA gathers is crucial not only for scientists, but also for policymakers, farmers, and everyday citizens looking to protect the planet. NASA's satellites provide real-time images of Earth's changing landscape, tracking everything from the melting ice caps in the Arctic to the impact of deforestation in the Amazon. By keeping an eye on these shifts, NASA equips us with the knowledge to act before disaster strikes. For example, NASA's Earth Science program provides detailed forecasts about hurricanes, helping communities prepare for the worst. Likewise, its monitoring systems track droughts and floods, offering early warnings that can save lives and livelihoods. One of the most powerful tools NASA has developed is its climate models. These models simulate the Earth's complex climate systems, helping us predict future conditions and plan accordingly. Whether it's predicting the effects of rising sea levels or identifying areas at risk of wildfires, these models help us understand the full scope of climate change and its impact on the planet. But perhaps NASA's most important contribution in this area is its role in driving global awareness. By sharing its data with other countries and international organizations, NASA fosters a collective effort to tackle climate change. Its ability to gather vast amounts of data, combine it with expert analysis, and distribute it on a global scale has made it a critical player in the worldwide fight against environmental degradation. NASA's work is a reminder that space exploration is not just about the cosmos, it's also about protecting our home planet.